Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. This is Odoo in Practice, Episode 3 of 10, Contacts and Products. Stay until the end. I will tell you what to watch next and why. This is master data. Everything else is a document that points here. A contact is a partner, customer, vendor, or both. Name, street, email, tax ID. Sales orders, purchase orders, and invoices reuse that card. If you type the customer only on the quote, accounting will not recognize the invoice later. Products are what you sell and buy. A service does not sit in a warehouse. A storable product does. Put the sales price, cost, tax, and unit of measure on the product. Do not retype them on every line. Open contacts and you see the address book. Open sales, then products, and you see the catalog. Variants exist when color or size matter. Price lists exist when different customers pay different prices. Start simple. One product, one tax, one unit. Add variants when the business already has them in the real world. This episode only shows contacts and sales, the two apps that hold master data. Contacts is the address book. Every order and invoice will point here. Products live under sales. Goods, services, prices, and taxes start on the product. Takeaways. Customer before quotation. Product before order line. One partner, one name. Master data is in place. Watch Episode 4 next. CRM. Leads and opportunities are how you hunt work before it becomes a sales order. If two people share a pipeline, CRM stops deals from falling on the floor. Thank you for listening to Odoo in Practice. Visit www.webbycrown.com or contact us at sales@webbycrown.com.